Damn, nigga, you know I'm about to get out the way. This fucking shit. Oh!
Good night, man.
This the first skateboard documentary on the cam. Nah, this one.
Documentary though. Oh.
Nah, on the cam, man. This is vintage shit right here.
That's how they did it back in my day, man.
Yeah, they did do it back in your day like this. I didn't notice how loose yours is. So like, shit, now that I feel it, it's like a lot better. You won't? Huh? You won't? Oh, damn. You saw my foot? Nah, he was talking shit. I couldn't hear him. This board.
Bro, your board's like crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't know that's. I was like, this whole time I was like, damn. Like, why don't you pick up some keys, nigga? But like,
nah, cause my shit. Nah, you can't. Cause like, shit going on this board is like a lot faster. I'm not used to that shit.
Bro, that's cause, bro, the trucks are good and the wheels are good. Your bearings too are kind of trash. But we gonna get you right. So see when this nigga actually like he accidentally made a trick.
Nah, he did.
Like,
he was better. He was literally about to just hit that shit right now.
I don't even know what this is called. I'm gonna just do this.
I'm gonna just do it.
Gotta hit that shit there. Gotta get this ollie down. I need to get it doing hat, bro. Get that down. You hit the shovel.
You good? Damn. You good?
I just fucked my ankle, bro.
Damn.
Bad?
Nah.
Man, it's like work.
Like work, no reaction.
Like us, man. We live for the game. We live for the pain. We live for the hustle, man.
For the can, I'm making sure they back up so you get the full,
What was I say?
the full view. You feel me?
That's the guy right there. That's the guy right there.
Oh my gosh, is that Ivan?
You heard?
That shit, though?
You heard? Suave. Wepa! Today I'm going to be demonstrating a shove it. A shove it is essentially a 180 or a 360 motion up the board, spinning it from one side to the other, as shown. Let me demonstrate. I really gotta hit this whole down. Ooh! Damn, where I almost hit that shit though? It's all about center, balance, gravity.
Man, let me show off how to really do it.
If we dance, bro, oh my god. Bro, when we was just on the strip, bro.
What's calling that shit? I know they hated us.
Oh my god, I know they hated us. Bring on.
Oh my god. You good?
I really just want to hit some touches, some hating ass niggas. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, them rap stop, especially the hating ass niggas that can't even skate. You can't even do this.
Nah, cause the one clip that he said that he had.
Bro, he failed.
He failed the shit.
He literally failed the trick.
And had nothing else.
Bingo. Shout out to our skate brothers in Puerto Rico too. You know, they was out there getting active on the street.
Nah, they were. They were both nice too.
They were active too. Like,
He had like an ollie over
stairs.
Some dude was like, we should do more street skating, and then like go to like an area with like random stairs.
We ain't that stuff.
I'm saying.
Oh, man, I can't even do this on the ground.
Nah, word, like that word hill was scary, bro.
I see a hill, I'll be like, wait, let me get somewhere to say so I can do this trick real quick. Like right here, hold on.
Man, reporting live from, I think we outside Scott Hall right now. Good fly Abe, man.
I ain't gonna lie, I shed a tear coming down that.
Nah, me too.
Look at Uncle,
But I
bro.
didn't even go all the way down.
Hey, man. Too easy. Wait, you didn't go down the thing?
Nah, yeah, I was trying to get the camera.
Oh, word. Nah, you gotta go.
Nah, yeah.
Alright, let's document this. Shit, camera in hand. Hopefully I don't bust ass. Duck under this. Look at Abe, man. His big ass. Yo, this is a fat ass crack right here, though.
Nah, this one's better than that one. Like, this is actually where I came off.
Nah, I came off this.
But like, the thing is, it's the crack going onto. It's not even like below the other one. If it was below that, nah, I'd say it's wrapped.
I don't know. This looks like a crazy crack to me, but we'll see, though.
First off, we got Fly Aid, man. Fly Aid.
Oh, he coming down. Shit.
Coming down.
Bruh.
I got scared.
Hey, I'm telling you, it's that crack, bruh.
Nah, but you gotta crack, dude.
I'm saying come off this side right here.
Huh?
I would say come off this side.
That's all right.
Yeah.
To like, slow down.
Yeah, because this crack is dangerous.
This one?
I
That
promise you that one isn't bad.
No, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's just like, when I pick up speed, I'm like, damn.
Bruh, you just gotta go. Hold on, let me see if I can prop it up right here.
This way too.
Ooh.
I don't know how good of an angle that is.
That was your meeting call?
Let's do it.
I think you had it right.
Nah, you had it. You went over the crack?
Huh?
You went over the crack?
Yeah. I mean, I went over everything. I just stopped at the black part because I was picking up too much speed.
Or nah, but that's the best part.
Huh?
That's the best part. You just gotta commit for real.
Huh?
Trust.
Alright, man. 205 archive. Let's go. Oh shit.
Hit song, hit song.
Oh, shit. Nah, not ready for that.
Hey man, all in due time. Trust.
Damn,
Know me, man. Certified skater, man.
hit that.
Thrasher sponsored me. Adidas sponsored me.
Mm.
I'm next up, nigga. You know the vibes. Big DGK.
Mm.
DGK all day. It's on the board. You can read, nigga. English, Espanol.
Yes, sir.
205, nigga. 205, nigga. I think you had a potential sugar mama on that plane, bro.
Who?
Sloppy.
Who, me?
When we first arrived.
Oh, nah.
The one that was written you up.
Bruh, she was just funny, bruh.
Okay, I do want to try.
Oh, shit, you got that home.
That's why I didn't really want to do it.
You serious?